Tired of manually tending your Minecraft farms? Let's build an AFK pool to automate resource collection. First, find a suitable spot for your AFK pool. You'll want an area where your farm's collection system can reach. We're building a very basic, compact design here. Start by creating a small, hollow square on the ground for simplicity. A 3x3 outer dimension with a 1x1 hole in the center works perfectly. We're laying down cobblestone, but any solid block will do. Now, stand in the very center of your dugout area. This is where you'll be positioned to stay AFK. Decide which direction you want your collection system, like hoppers or water streams, to flow. Face that direction. This ensures collected items will move away from you. Next, we'll add the water. Place a water source block at each of the 4 outer edge squares of your 3x3 area. The water should flow and meet in the middle, creating a gentle current. Now for the magic, place a dispenser directly beside your pool area, facing inwards towards the water. Make sure it's positioned so its output is above the water level, not submerged. To power this, we'll use a simple lever. Place a lever within easy reach, a few blocks away from the dispenser. Connect a single piece of redstone dust from the dispenser to the lever. Now, when you flip that lever, it will continuously dispense items. These items will get pushed by the water current in the direction you're facing. To collect these items, place hoppers at the end of your water stream, leading into chests or any other storage system you have set up. The water current will carry the dispensed items right to your hoppers. And there you have it, your very own AFK pool. Now you can step away and let the game work for you, automatically gathering those precious resources. Happy farming!